Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Audi. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Audi Q5 Black Edition. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. The vehicle puts power down through a smooth S-tronic automatic transmission and down to all four wheels thanks to Quattro, Audi's four-wheel drive system. This example comes finished in the lovely ultra blue metallic paint colour. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors, and down below the vehicle sits on a set of 20-inch alloy wheels which come in a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find some privacy glass on the rear windscreen, and helping you park and manoeuvre we'll find a set of rear parking sensors as well as a rear view reversing camera. This example features an electric tailgate, behind which is a very large boot area, complete with a retractable parcel shelf. For the rear passenger's comfort, there is a 3-seater bench in a mixture of Dynamica and leather upholstery. There's a folding armrest in the middle, as well as some rear heater controls. We'll find some sportier style front seats, complete with an S embroidered logo on the two front seats. In the centre of the dash, in the forms of entertainment, we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system includes inbuilt navigation, as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle, along with listening to all your favourite radio stations. Beneath the touchscreen we'll find some climate controls, and throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find two cup holders as well as a comfortable leather armrest. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, along with an Audi virtual cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Audi Q5 Black Edition. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.